I'm Jim Schmid from Bellman, Nebraska.
And I'm Peg Schmid. I am Jim's wife.
And we've been farming together since 1999. 91, I'm sorry.
Yep.
My great-grandpa came here from Iowa in 1882 and bought the place. And then his daughter owned the place for a while. Then my dad and mom bought it, and then we bought it.
We have a long history with BigIron. They actually did my mom's estate sale in 2000. They did Jim's parents' estate sale in 2007. So it always was our plan that when it was our turn to sell out, that it would be BigIron that did it.
The end of the sale is December 1st, and we have 3 big tractors selling. They're like new.
Combine.
Grain cart, grain wagon.
Disc.
Shredder.
Shredders, cultivators, ridgers, pretty much everything you need to start.
We've always kept everything shedded as much as we could. I don't think the combine's ever been rained on.
Yeah, even when we were during harvest, when we came home at night, we always put everything away. Even if there was no forecast of rain, that was just our routine. Couple times a year, everything got a bath, everything got a coat of wax. So we have really strived to keep everything as well as we could. Even though it's not new, it looks new. We are having an open house prior to the final day of the sale. It'll be on November 29th, which is a Tuesday, from 3 in the afternoon until 6.